Jamaican fruits. They are delicious and sweet. I love to eat Jamaican fruits.
Hi there everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be going on a new topic. We are going to be heading to the island of Jamaica. We are going to be learning the names of some Jamaican fruits. Come on, let us have some fun learning the names of Jamaican fruits.
I love to eat Jamaican fruits. Mango so sweet, sweet, sweet. Oh, what a treat. Banana smooth, smooth, smooth. I can't stay still. Otaheite Apple gives me such a thrill. Soursop cool, 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 what a delight. Apple shining in the morning light. Jackfruit big, 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 it fills my plate. Guava and tamarind taste so great. Mouth with a fruity flash. Let's all cheer and give a hoot for tasty, yummy Jamaican fruits. I love to eat Jamaican fruits. I love to eat Jamaican fruits.